everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about playlist. Playlist is a collection of videos that anyone can bring together. Okay, it's when you go into your YouTube studio, you'll be able to get your video, then you create a playlist of all your video. So it simply means that it's a collection of videos put together in order to be in a series. Okay, a series that each time your fellow content creators or YouTuber comes into your page and they click one video, the video will just other videos will pop up after the first one. That is what playlist simply means. So today we'll be talking about playlist. Okay, so if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I don't take this for granted. But if you're a new subscriber, please do well to subscribe, like, share, comment, and always stay glued to the end of this video in order for you to achieve more. Okay, so let's dive into the video on how to create a playlist for all your videos. So guys, let's go. So you go to YouTube app, tap on the profile picture, go to your video. Can you see the videos? Then you select the video you want to use. Select the three dots by the side of the video. So you click on save. Then the playlist, click on new playlist. Put in the title. Once you're done with putting in the title, you click on private. Select set public if you want them to click on create. Then click on see list. It will bring you here and you are all done. Your playlist is ready. All right guys, I hope you guys have learned something from this topic that I brought up, which is simply means playlist. So if you have learned anything from this, please do well to subscribe, like, share, comment, so that other people will get to see our video and learn from it. See you guys on my next one. I love you. Bye.